Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is from Puppies things, another one, and I was going to attach some puppies. Mocha is doing a puppy attack. Look at this, I like that. This is amazing Mocha. So you can see Hiccup. I want to say, don't cry, little Hiccup, don't cry. When I done over there, I can see shadows here. And you see the sun, and there's Mocha's thing. But you can see from my phones when you're burping like Mickey. Why you're burning like Mickey? I don't know. Tell me. Can you tell me what is this dog breed over there? Tell me in the comments below. Tell me in the comments below. What is this dog breed? Is this? This is named Mocha. And I was going there. I'm going to run. I'm going to run. Like Mickey, and look at this sleeping Mickey. How big is he now? I'm going upstairs. You can see down. Look at the view over there. But you can see what? Can you see webs? And you cannot see the webs. When you see webs, like you're the blindest person. No, I can see it. There are dogs here. You can see dogs right here. They're sleeping. They're literally upstairs. You can see that. Alright. You can see puppies around. You can alright. How to calm puppies. It means oh no. No, where are you going? Where are you going? Alright. Where's Tracy? Tracy! Wow, Tracy! I don't like that. Alright, look at that little Tracy. Don't guilty to get the approach her. Mocha, Daddy, happy you're brave, Mocha. Okay. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Huh? Don't go outside. Okay? Don't go outside. Okay? You're not free yet. You're in the trap way. You can see. Okay. So we can see puppies and dogs are gone. There's only 3 left. There's 3 left. You can see. Alright. This one's name Hiccup. Right here. This is name Hiccup. This one Lolo. Hello Lolo. Okay. Why are you running, guys? What's going on here, huh? What's happening, you guys? What happened, you guys? No. Who are you? Tracy. Quiet. Tracy, quiet. Alright. You're going upstairs when you're going up. Stop right here, man. Don't go upstairs. You're going to get lonely. Stop it. Oh no, you're going up. You're going up. Stop it. Don't go up. Don't go up. Okay? You go up, okay? Don't go upstairs. When you're getting free, but I have a little bridge for you. Alright, so this is a new thing to hang out with puppies. You can see some. Look at this, I just paid on the leaves. You can see Hiccup. I see Hiccup right here. Hi, rabbits. Hi. Hi. I just make rabbits everything. Okay. I'm going to get caught. This one thing. These things are literally hot dogs coming out. And everything. I had puppies. Oh, dang, you can hear that? Can hear that? Can hear this? But Mocha's here. Alright, take up. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I had to do this. Whoa. I think I can see me. Alright, so these puppies are amazed to paw works. Not paw work, but I can definitely see that right over myself. And you can't see me. Look at this pupper. Pupper is slowly going on the other sides. When Mocha's brave. When Mocha's brave, I think we need to hang out with puppers. Puppers is the best day, but it's 1 GB. No, not 1 GB outside. But definitely see me. You can definitely see me. Alright. Can you see rabbits right here? Can you see puppies right here? Can you see this? Can you see rabbits? Oh, I think I'll see a lot better. I think it tells me better and better and better. And better. You're not doing this. Puppies and their dogs and puppies. Dog puppies are good and gooder. We have 10 million puppies in the world, but too many. They're born. 22 puppies.